Stop wasting time watching a stovetop pot or scrubbing burnt rice grains on a busy weekday night. This is how I prep the perfect carb base for my weekly high-protein meals in the Instapot with zero burning and virtually zero cleanup. Today, we are mastering 3 essential everyday grains, starting with the Royal Sona Masoori rice from Costco. This lightweight aromatic medium grain is an incredible staple for daily comfort food and clean meal preps. I'm using exactly 1 cup here for easy reference. Always transfer your grains to a strainer and rinse thoroughly under cold water. Use a spatula to move the rice around. This washes away excess surface starch so your grains stay separate and clean rather than turning into a gummy paste. Drain the excess water completely. Now for the ultimate sanity-saving hack. Pour 2 cups of water directly into the bottom of your Instapot liner and then place a metal steam stand inside. Add 2.5 cups of water to the rice bowl. By cooking your rice inside a separate stainless steel bowl on top of the stand, your food will never burn. Plus, the steam from the bottom water aids the rice to cook perfectly soft and fluffy. Close the lid, seal the valve, and pressure cook on high for 12 minutes. We are letting it vent naturally for about 15 minutes. Open the lid and look at that. This built-in hands-off time is exactly how I manage my busy routine. While the Instapot handles the grains, I have total peace of mind to prep my high-protein lunch items like tofu, lentils, paneer, or veggies. By the time your proteins and veggies are ready, your rice is done too. Use a fork to fluff it. It's completely stress-free cooking. Sona Masoori is not only low in calories, but it's also easily digestible, making it the perfect energy base to pack right into your weekly lunch boxes. Next up is Basmati rice, the ultimate comfort food base. If you don't have time to soak it for 30 minutes, use a 1 to 1.25 rice to water ratio. If you do soak it, drop it to a strict 1 to 1 ratio. If you need quick, stress-free meal ideas every week to save your sanity, hit that subscribe button. To elevate this into a luxury experience, we are adding bay leaf, cloves, cinnamon, cardamom, caraway seeds, pinch of salt, and a half a teaspoon of lime juice directly into the bowl. Place it on the stand, close the lid, and pressure cook on high for just 7 minutes. Now pay close attention here. Let it naturally sit for 10 minutes and then manually vent the remaining steam. This step is critical. If you leave it to vent fully on its own, your beautiful long-grain basmati will overcook and turn soft and mushy. Fluff it out gently, and the aroma from these spices is incredible. This pairs beautifully with any rich gravy or high-protein curry, making it an elite meal prep option that holds up perfectly all week. Finally, Jasmine rice, the iconic, slightly sticky velvety grain that everyone craves for Thai, Korean, or Asian-inspired bowls. Take 1 cup of thoroughly rinsed jasmine rice. Add 1.25 cups of water and place the bowl on your trivet. Cook on high pressure for about 4 minutes and again, manually vent the remaining steam at the 10-minute mark. It smells sweet, floral, and absolutely luxurious. But here's the best part of this entire system. When you are finished, simply lift your rice bowl out, take the steam stand out, and now pour out the clean water from the bottom of the main liner. Give it a quick, effortless wipe, and your Instant Pot is instantly ready for your next dish. No scrubbing heavy pots and absolutely zero mess. If you want to get your time back while still eating balanced, home-cooked food, this is the ultimate hack. Comment below which rice you struggle with the most and check out these meal prep ideas on screen to pair with your perfect new rice base. See you next week.